the 1st of July this year, Victorian businesses will need to be more diligent regarding hazards that may become fatal to employees, contractors and others. New workplace manslaughter laws may impose heavy fines of up to $16.5 million for corporations and jail terms of up to 25 years for company officers and other senior people who negligently cause a work-related death. Manufacturing is a national priority to help reduce the numbers of fatalities and serious claims. The industry accounts for 7% of total employment, but often features in the worst 6 industries in Victoria. So what should manufacturers be doing? Think longer term and look industry-wide. Consider the 1 in 20 year fatal occurrence when planning ahead to avoid these deaths. Manufacturing leaders need crystal clear lines of sight on their fatality risks and controls. These should be documented in a fatality risk register, including items like these. All the experts must be consulted and engaged and listened to. The hands-on, technical and process experts all need to contribute to preventing these terrible events. People taking dangerous shortcuts to get things done must not be tolerated. Strong leadership, clear decisions and communication and effective accountability are critical. Business leaders must ensure fatality risks are completely avoided or effectively controlled, and gain regular feedback to confirm this over the long term. The Victorian Chamber has several industry tip sheets and other resources for members, and our health, safety, wellbeing team are highly qualified and experienced in these matters, so please contact us on 03 8662 5333 or hsw@victorianchamber.com.au. Thank you.